Electrical Garage, where we fix and do teaching also. Today, this is Nissan Rock ECM. This is Nissan Rock ECM. I'll be repairing it today. The ignition coil is not working. Bring the camera closer. Let me show. The ignition coil is not working, and so this is responsible for the ignition coil, and this is also responsible for the injector. For the injector opening, this IC is responsible for the injector opening, and so I'll be repairing this today. I'll remove this and replace it with a new one. And so to start the process, you have to connect your Vicom, put your Vicom on, do this, remove it. And while removing it, you have to look at the point, the direction of the IC. The IC have a direction. Okay, so don't forget the writing of the IC always on this side. So if you changing it around, you change the IC direction, then the vehicle will not start. The nozzles will not open, the core will not open. So I'm removing it right now to replace it. This IC is responsible for the injector, for the opening of the injector and the coil also, the ignition coil also. So I will remove it and replace it with another one. Okay. Just remove it. This is the other one I'll be replacing it with. Alright. Okay. This is the rifle direction. You place it right there. You set it good. Make sure all the legs are in the same position. Make sure you set it good. Alright. Everything is set. You can now put some grease. Okay. Make sure the legs are in the rifle direction. Okay. Finish with it. You can see it. Everything is perfect right now. So we're going to install it on the vehicle. So thanks for watching Last Electrical Garage. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.